Hi everyone, it's Bartie Joyce here, back again with another video. If it's your first time here, please subscribe and click the notification bell to join the Bartie party. Today I'm going to do a video that's been requested by a couple of people, but it started off with one of my followers. Their channel is Gabriel and Rosie. Their mum asked me to do a video about how to understand YouTube analytics a bit better. So I'm going to start off with the desktop version. So you open up your browser, go onto YouTube, and in the right hand corner, on the right hand corner where your icon is, go to that, click on your icon, and then down at the bottom it says YouTube Studio. Click on that. And this is where you see on the left hand side of the computer, it's where you see dashboard, videos, playlists, analytics, comments, etc, etc. So we'll dive into the analytics. I pushed the wrong one. We'll dive into analytics, and here is where it shows you how much watch time you've had in the last 28 days. To start with, you have overview, reach, engagement, audience and revenue. So if you go across to each of them, it tells you what's done what, how many impressions you've had, how many views you've had, if it's gone up, if it's gone down, and your engagement rate, how many hours you've had, and the audience tells you how many subscribers you've gained, or etc, etc. And also you've got your revenue bit there where it tells you how much you've had. You can change, that was on the last 28 days. If you change it to say 2020, say for an example, you've got like it all there as well. You've got overview, tells you how many views you've had, how many hours of watch time you've had, how many subscribers you've gained, and how much revenue how much revenue you have made. Again, you can see like down the bottom, if you scroll down a tiny bit, you've got your videos. Which ones it tells you how many views you've had in 2020 of your most popular videos and things and that. Again, you go across the reach. You've got how many impressions you've had this year, how many impressions, click-through rate, and how many views and how many unique viewers you've had. The engagement tells you how many hours watch time you've had and the average duration of the videos. And again, you've got audience, where it tells you like how many people got here via tells you what top countries you've got. If you scroll down a bit, how many people have subscribed and not subscribed, your female or male percentage. It lists your top 5 countries to start off with, and it also has revenue, how much you've made so far this year. Obviously you can change that to whatever year you want. If you wanted to see a specific video, like when to potentially add a card or an advert if you're monetized, and you go to one of your videos, go to videos, and then you click on any video, whatever video you want. So I'm just going to go for the most recent one. It shows you how many views you've had, how much watch time you've had, how much revenue you've made on the overview, and it also tells you audience retention, like the drop-off point. But if you go across the reach, that tells you how many impressions that video's had, how many the click-through rate. Then you go across to engagement, it tells you how many hours watch time you've had and the average duration. You've got audience, and it's got ad types, what sort of ads they've watched. And if you go to monetization on each video, you have ad types that you can turn on. So you've got display ads, overlay ads, sponsored ads, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads. And I generally just have them all ticked on because why not? People can have them, people can pick and choose then. And you can also turn it off if you want to, but I don't know why you'd want to do that. And if you look on the analytics on a particular, on any video, you see that it's got a blue line and a grey line. This shows that that's how well your video done by previously, and the blue line is how quicker it's got to the views that it's got to. So if I go to one of my videos, my reason video, actually I'll choose my blooper video for Count on Me, sorry. Because this one done quite well with views straight away. So go back to analytics. Here you see the grey, that's how long it took to get to the amount of views I got to, and then the blue is how much quicker it managed to get there. So the video prior to it, before it, took 11 days and 5 hours to get to the views that is on that particular video is on, whereas this has taken 8 days to reach the videos that it's taken over 11 days to reach. So I think that's pretty decent to see that side of things. So I think that one got 100+ views in like the first 24 hours, which was insane. Thank you everyone for making that happen. And it shows you, if you go to each video, it shows you how much watch time in hours that particular video has done. And it also tells you how many subscribers you've gained from that particular video, if you've gained or lost, obviously. So that's also another important thing, I feel. And then you got the reach. It's nice to see it all climbing. It tells you if it's external playlist, so if which portion it's had. How much YouTube are recommending your videos as well on the right hand side. Views from impressions. Right, we got to audience and revenue. And here it tells you by month how much you've made by month, and again, if you go to see more, you can see the last however many, you can see up to like 12 months, I believe. So yes, you can see 12 months worth, unless you change it to lifetime or 6, 7, like 2027 example. So it tells you how much you made. It tells you your top video earnings as well. Again, if you do the exact same thing, go on and show more. Again, on the top right hand corner you can change that to, on the top right hand corner you can change that to 7 days, no, it lasts 90 days, 365 days lifetime, or 2020 or 2019. And you do a custom one as well. Comment section as well, so you can see what comments you've had over time. You've got some comments that you haven't responded to, if you haven't responded to any. You've got some that are likely spam, which I've got 65 that are likely spam. So I've got a couple of them. For helpful review. So I basically selected something where you hold for inappropriate comments. So if it's just like rubbish comments, I've made a thing for that. You've got your subtitles section, where you add your subtitles to. So you click a video, you add your subtitles to it, etc., etc. It's got like real time views as well on the right hand side, where it says real time updating live. So if there's any questions you want to know about what I've just discussed, please let me know in the comments box. And if you find this video useful, please smash that subscribe button and the bell notification to join the Bartie party. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and click the notification bell to join the Bartie party. I know I said that twice, but I'm a parrot. Cheers everyone, stay safe.